Hi everyone, I have Mother's First products with me and I'm going to be reviewing them for you guys. Alright, let's get started. First of all, please excuse me, I'm shooting on my phone right now because my camera is out of battery. So let's get started with the video. Now, the first thing is that I have about 5 products by Mother's First over here. I have their face wash, I have their face cream, I also have their body butter, I have their under eye cream, and I also have their face mask. Now I'm going to be talking about each product, and this is my honest review for everything. So let's get started. I'll start off with the products I like first. So the I think the best products I feel are their face wash and face cream. ये उनके hero products है. While even promoting them, they said that these are their hero products. So let me just talk about them. Now this is their face wash. It retails at 350 rupees, which is like quite normal. And the only thing that's very different is पहले तो इनके ingredients. They have earth mineral oil and vanilla essential oil, which is great. After washing my face with this face wash, there's a definite glow. It's very different from your regular face washes. It's natural. It's beautiful. However, इसका जो consistency है, when I'll remove this from over here, it's very thick. Meaning it's not liquidy, it's very thick, it's almost solid. तो आपको वो थोड़ा सा लेके पहले उसका foam बनाना है, and then you have to put it on your face and then you have to wash your face with it. So that's that. I just find it a little. The face wash is great. The quality is amazing. I just feel like I'm too lazy to remove it, foam it, because it's solid. तो वो foam होने के लिए, liquid होने के लिए with water, it takes like 10-15 seconds and then you have to put it. It's worth the results. I'm just too lazy as a person, but other than that, amazing face wash. The next product over here is their face cream. ये मुझे बहुत पसंद है. If you're expecting like Olay level results, the results are pretty good. Okay, your skin will feel great. It does not. I mean, it's a little thick in consistency. It's not very lightweight, and it moisturizes your skin very well. I have dry skin, so I love this moisturizer on my face. It has natural ingredients, और इसमें कोई allergens नहीं है, तो बहुत natural smell है. I am a person who likes some good fragrances in my skincare, but it doesn't have that. But it's a very, 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 very good face cream. So it's up to you guys. Like, my favorite product, like ये दो तो company ने बोला था these are their hero products. For me, my hero product is this. This is their under eye gel. It retails at 449 rupees, and I think you guys can also get some discounts on this. Now, it's only 15 grams. It is so helpful. What you have to do is basically, once you take some of this amount, you have to take it on your ring finger, and then you have to dab it. Okay, so basically you begin from here and then you have to dab it and go to here. If you use this for like 1 or 2 weeks continuously, be very consistent with this. You will surely see results. मैंने बहुत सारे अंडर आई क्रीम्स और जेल्स यूज़ किए हैं, but results इतने नहीं आए थे, but मुझे इसका बहुत पसंद आया. And this is Indian, like I really love this local brand. It's really good. So if you are thinking about this product, see, I'm telling you, you won't get magic results. Okay, it won't be like you use it for 2 days and it's gone. If you use it for 1 or 2 weeks, like depending on how bad your under eye situation is, you will definitely see good results for this. It's really good. I love this product. The next product I'm going to be talking about is my favorite. Like, I don't know why this product is not marketed much, but ये मेरा personal favorite है. I hope you guys can see this. The packaging is also quite good. This is their face mask. The reason why I like this product is because I have sensitive skin, और बहुत सारे फेस मास्क जब मैं लगाती हूँ मुझे यहाँ पे सेंसिटिव पैच है. It burns, but for this particular product it does not. So I know for sure that they've used good ingredients. उसके बाद जो ग्लो आता है मेरे फेस पे, it's amazing. It contains honey and oatmeal. Honey से आपका पूरा tan निकल जाएगा, and oatmeal is also very good ingredient for your face. So I definitely suggest this product. I hope you guys can see this well. I love it. It smells great and it is amazing. So this is what's left. It smells really good. And again, इसमें कोई artificial fragrances भी नहीं है. पूरा natural product है. ये आपकी skin के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. तो ये मेरा personal favorite है out of all the products. And I will definitely suggest this. This is their face mask, oatmeal and honey. So that's that. And I think the last product I have over here is their body butter. Now, I was a little disappointed with this product, honestly. It's Shea and Cocoa body butter. I hope you guys can see this. And yeah, this is basically what it looks like. It also had a lid. I don't have the lid yet. I'll tell you why I don't like this product. I'll show it on camera and show. Okay, so I'm gonna take only very little. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा लेके भी नहीं दिखाना है because this is my honest review. It's not a bad product, but I've taken some of this. Okay, now I'll put this here. Now see how it just doesn't get absorbed easily. It's here, still here, still here. तो ये ऐसे white layer में पहले spread होता है. It does not get absorbed easily into the skin. I'm still doing it, still doing it, still doing it. Yeah. It takes a lot of time. Whereas if I show you guys another body butter over here, it's gonna get absorbed so easily. Even after getting absorbed completely, like the moisture stays only for a few hours, like 3 or 4 hours. If you're gonna be using this body butter, I usually use during winters क्योंकि उस वक्त body lotion से इतना moisturize नहीं हो पाती है skin. But this is not a great body butter. Like honestly, my skin is obviously soft over here. I can't use a lot of this product because um, it takes a lot of time to get absorbed into the skin, and I'm just a little disappointed with it. Like honestly, they could have done a little better. So this is my honest review on all of these products. My hero product once again will definitely be their face mask. This is an amazing product. It gives me a very good glow on my face. And my second favorite is their under eye gel. And my third favorite is their face wash. So I will like, if you guys want to buy something and if you are asking me as a friend like, Ishita, is this good? I will definitely suggest these three. But the rest of them, I'm a little skeptical about it. Like the body butter is something that I definitely would not probably suggest anyone. And the next product, the face cream is actually not so bad. Like it's pretty good. The face cream is good. I just, you know, expected a little more over there. The moisture is quite okay. I will give the moisture an 8 on 10. It stays quite okay. I will give it a 6 on 10. And it's just not mattifying. It's yeah, like it makes my skin a little greasy if I put a lot. So that's that. I hope you guys like this video and I hope this helped you in making your purchase. So let me know if this helped you and give me a thumbs up if you actually did like the video. Comment below and let me know what you want me to review next.